Hi, welcome to my Tango practice channel. You asked for a video about arm placement. First of all, you must know that there is not one true placement. So I understand it can be confusing because there are so many options, so many criteria. You can use this video as a guide to find your own placement. Of course, remember, the more you experiment, the easier it gets. I'm giving you some extra tips at the end of the video. Do not miss them. The two main criteria that help us choose our arm placements are comfort and functionality. A comfortable arm placement is one that respects the body integrity and that is the closest to our natural resting position. I will get back to that. The functionality of the arm is to create a physical connection that allows communication between the partners. More precisely, this connection point must be between both partners' centers. Neutral resting position. In the neutral resting position, the shoulder is in neutral position, not up, down, forward or back, and the elbow is hanging under the shoulder. This position does not require any special muscle work. Let's start by placing our right arm. We use the turnout of our upper arm to bring our elbow slightly ahead of our center. Then we lift our forearm, keeping the hand aligned with it, and adjust until we reach the partner's hand. The contact will be mainly on the outer part of the palm. If we reach first with the hand, we usually end up much further away from the resting position. And not using the turnout of the upper arm will usually bring our elbow behind our center, making it less functional if needed. Now for the left side. We need to assess which communication system we are using, as our option will be different if we are using the Axis communication system or the frame communication system. We did a workout on communication system subject. You can access it and all my online classes via memberships, but let me know if you want more infos about it. In the case we are communicating through the Axis system, the arms have no functionality. The only criteria we are going to assess is comfort. We need to pay attention to our shoulder position, as it could potentially disturb our posture and our comfort. An additional criteria is our partner's dimensions. So we place our upper arm, elbow, respecting our shoulder position. Then we land the forearm and the hand. If your partner is shorter, if you are more or less the same height than your partner, if your partner is taller. We also adapt our arm placement to the shape of the embrace, a V-shaped embrace, or parallel shaped embrace. When we are using the frame communication system, the arms must provide a steady communication point on both sides. This can be used either in open embrace or in closed embrace, and the right arm placement remains the same. Using a contact point closer to our own center will be easier. This contact point will be at the advantage of the follower. This contact point will be at the advantage of the leader. This median position will be efficient for both. The pressure you apply towards your partner should never be vertical. Pressure created to produce a message, a communication, should stay horizontal. If you are still not sure about how to place your arms, you can copy your partner's placement in a symmetrical way. Thank you for watching. I hope this little guide will help you find your own embrace. See you soon.